everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. So I just want to do this very quick video. I've got a snake who is going into shed, and I just kind of want to talk about something else that a snake's body does when it is going into shed. I know that I often mention, oh, I've got a snake that's going into blue, and when I say that, we see the blue eyes, and we know that it's kind of getting cloudy, and we know what that means. But there's also something else that your snake goes through that lets you know when it's about to go into shed or is currently in shed, and I just kind of want to kind of showcase that. And it's usually something that helps me identify a snake is about to go into shed even before the blue usually shows up. So right here we have Zeus, my ball python, who is currently going into blue. And if you can see, let's try to get up close to the camera here so we can get a shot of what I'm trying to show. I'm not sure if it's showing up. It's probably getting washed out a lot by the light, but if you can see it, not sure you can, but I hope you can sort of look like you can sort of see it. Either way, if you ever notice that your snake's belly is getting a little pink, this is a very clear sign that your snake is getting ready to go into shed. I've noticed this in almost every single one of my snakes, that their bellies will go very pink. Almost, and some people might get concerned when they see this because they, she's got the camera. Hold on, he's got the camera. So people who will often see this happening with their snake often will sometimes get a little bit concerned, because we also know that sometimes getting a pink belly or something like that can also signify that your snake may be beginning to get a burn from its heating pad, or maybe be the beginning of like scale rot, and so people get a little bit concerned. However, if you really look at your snake when this is happening, you will see that it's definitely more of a uniform thing. It's usually happening completely all the way down the snake, so that you know it's not really a centralized space that's actually happening, and it's not really a burn or anything like that. And so if you ever notice your snake is going a little pink in the belly, you can usually tell that shortly after that they're going to get a little gray and start going into the blue mode. So that's all, everybody. I just want to point that out. I just noticed that Zeus was in blue and said I figured I would go ahead and do a video on that. So that's all. You take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. And you guys keep spreading those herbs.